If you want to buy this audio to go along with the book for your children, I recommend you listen to it first and make sure to explain the philosophical implication of the poem to your children. Thank you. The merchant arrived in India. In the wilderness, he saw the parrots. He stopped his caravan and gave them the message. One parrot shuddered, fell. The parrot listened to what the bird did. He shuddered. He fell. The merchant threw the parrot out of the cage. The parrot flew upon a high perch. He flew so fast, even the sun took aback. Shocked merchant looked up and said, "Oh, parrot,